If you want to insert SD card with adapter to your Samsung Galaxy A56, so first of all, get your SD card, get your USB-C adapter. Great. Now let's get our Samsung Galaxy A56 and locate your charging port. Now insert your USB-C adapter to your charging port. Great. Now let's open up My Files and see that our phone detected the SD card. It's detected as a USB storage 1. Now we can move any kind of files from our phone to our SD card. For example, let's move this one. Let's hold our finger. Let's press move. Choose your USB storage 1. Press move here. It's moved. Right now it's in our USB storage 1. And basically that's how it works. When you're done, open up your USB storage 1, tap on the 3 dots at the top right corner, press unmount, and now you can simply unmount your USB card. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.